Global warming is the gradual increase in the overall temperature of Earth's atmosphere and oceans. This warming is directly related to climate change, which is major changes in temperature, precipitation, or wind patterns over several decades or longer. Earth's climate exists as it is because of a process known as the greenhouse effect. When the sun's radiation reaches Earth's atmosphere, about half is reflected away while the rest is absorbed by the planet's surface. Infrared radiation is then emitted from the surface. Some exits through the atmosphere, but most is absorbed by gases in the air known as greenhouse gases. All of this absorbed radiation warms the planet. Carbon dioxide, or CO2, is one of the main greenhouse gases. CO2 is continuously produced and absorbed by microorganisms, plants, and animals, remaining naturally balanced. But in the past few centuries, humans have developed new industries and technology that have dramatically increased the presence of greenhouse gases. With more carbon dioxide in the air, more radiation from the sun is absorbed. Therefore, more heat is absorbed. This makes the atmosphere and the entire planet warmer. So how do all of the extra greenhouse gases make their way into the atmosphere? One of the main causes is the burning of fossil fuels. Fossil fuels include coal, oil, and natural gas. These fuels were formed millions of years ago and are non-renewable. This means that once they have been used, more cannot be produced. In order to use fossil fuels as an energy source, they must be burned. This releases carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. Humans use an incredible amount of fossil fuels. Coal, for instance, is burned to power factories, generate electricity, and make steel. Oil is used for transportation in the forms of gasoline, diesel fuel, and jet fuel. Since trees take in carbon dioxide and convert it to oxygen, deforestation also contributes to higher CO2 levels. With fewer trees, not as much of the carbon dioxide is absorbed and converted to oxygen, which we breathe. All living things need oxygen. Though there is debate about what, if anything, can be done to stop climate change, there are ways to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Reducing the use of gas-powered automobiles by walking, biking, or using public transportation would lower carbon emissions. Heating and air conditioning totals almost half of the electricity use of an average home. So adjusting the thermostat to run less when you are away from home or sleeping at night would save energy and burn less fuels. Cleaner, renewable energy sources such as solar or wind power are also options that could dramatically reduce or eliminate emissions. Being mindful of energy use and supporting movements toward cleaner energy policies are part of being a good citizen of the country and the planet.